Now topic is alcohol, phenol and ether. So let's move to the question answer round. My first question is, a compound X undergoes reduction with LiAlH4, okay, gives Y. When vapors of Y are passed over freshly reduced copper at 300 degrees Celsius, X is formed. What is Y? Look at here, it is given here X reduction take place, gives Y. Y on treatment, that is passed over freshly reduced copper at 300 degrees Celsius. What we get? Again we get X. That is, here put LiAlH4. It's very simple. We can predict this one is definitely aldehyde. Clear to you? And aldehyde on reduction gives you alcohol, and alcohols on treatment in presence of copper again gives you aldehyde. Remember this. Now put the value. If I take a general example, if I take CS3CHO, clear, that is acetaldehyde, on treatment with LiAlH4, clear, on treatment with LiAlH4, it gives you alcohol CS3CH2OH. Clear to you? On again on treatment with copper at 300 degree Celsius, it gives you CS3CHO. So in this case, what is the answer? What is the alcohol? X is formed. X is CS3CHO. What is Y? Y is CS3CH2O. This one is Y. This one is Y. So for this question, we people can say that is C is the correct option. Clear? Now I'm going to rub this part and move to the next segment. Now let's move to the next question. The question number 2. An organic compound A containing CHNO has a pleasant odor with boiling point 78 degrees Celsius. Okay. On bubbling A with concentrated H2SO4, a colorless gas is produced. A colorless gas is produced. Okay. That is which decolorize bromine water and alkaline KMNO4. The organic liquid is very simple. An organic compound which contains CHO has a pleasant odor, but the boiling point here is given here. What is given? Tell me, friend. Sir, this one is colorless gas is produced which decolorize bromine water and alkaline KMNO4. The organic liquid A is, tell me what will happen. Look at CH and O. If I talk about C2H5 COOCH3, okay, on treatment with given here H2, because it has a pleasant odor, check it out, treatment with H2SO4, then what will happen in this case? That is a colorless gas is produced and which decolorize bromine water and alkaline KMNO4 also. But if I treatment with H2SO4, that is if it react like this, H plus and HSO4 minus, or it can break like this, CS3 C2H5 COO minus and CH3 plus. Okay, now if H moves here, it can gives you C2H5 COOH, that is acetic acid. Okay, now and the next product is CS3HSO4, that is the product. But here read the question, a colorless gas is produced which decolorize bromine water. So acetic acid, if I talk about acetic acid, if treatment with bromine, then there is very less tendency to decolorize this. That means to say this one is the not correct option. That is acetic acid is also is not a gas. Clear? That means to say the component is not, this one is not possible. This is a not. Now check out C2H5OH, whether there is a possibility. Now, if I write CS3, yes sir, CH2OH on treatment with concentrated H2SO4, then what is the possibility here? There is a possibility of formation of double bond CH2 double bond CH2. Clear to you? Now, this process we know that is dehydration. That is the removal of H2O, OH from here and H plus here, that is, and this form alkene, and this alkene we know that is ethene, and ethene is a colorless gas. Clear to you? And this has a power to decolorize bromine water and alkaline KMNO4. So the organic liquid is nothing, that is C2H5OH. So for question number 2, C is the correct option. Clear, friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Now, let's move to the next one. Alcoholic group can be replaced by SOCl2, definitely can be replaced by Cl, PCl5, SCl, ZnCl2. We know ROH when treated with SOCl2, yes sir, it gives you RCl, yes. Then when ROH is treated with PCl5, then it gives you RCl, yes sir. Now when alcoholic group ROH, clear to you, when treated with SCl, that is a Lucas reagent, ZnCl2, it also gives you RCl. As I told you earlier, in this case 3 degree alcohol is the best Lucas test. So that is the option, that is a multiple choice type question, that is B, C and D are the correct option. So for question number 3, we people can say B, C and D are the correct options. Now wait for a moment. Now, let's move to the next question. Read the question carefully what is given here. The question is, an alcohol A on heating with concentrated H2SO4 give alkene, okay, as measure product, and B measure B as a measure, and B can show geometrical isomer. The compound A is definitely, this one is alcohol. If I take normal CS3, that is CH2, that is CH3, then put here OH. Then what will happen? Dehydration take place in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Now what will happen? That is removal of OH from here and H from here, 2 also from here. The two product is CH3, CH, double bond CH, that is CH3. This one is product B. Okay, now the next one is CH3. I'm moving here, check it out. CH2, CH, double bond CH2. Clear to you? This one is C. Clear? Now, as we know, in this I have discussed the entire mechanism. Here the probability, this one is the major product. Remember this, and this one is the major product. Now it has a tendency to show geometrical isomer. See how? Put here CS3, put here CS3, put here H, put here H. This one is first. Now double bond, put here CS3, put here H, put here CS3, and put here this one is cis form and this one is trans form. Clear to you what I'm telling? This one is cis form and this one is trans form. Clear? So we can say this is the answer. That is, if I talk about the other one, check out the things again. If I talk about first, if I talk about second, this is the correct, that is cis and trans. Now if I talk about first, what will happen? Check it out again. Wait for a moment, give me few seconds. If I write here CS3 whole twice, that is put here CS3, okay, then OH, okay, then CH, then CS3, then put here CS3. Clear to you? Now the condition is, that is OH from here and H from here, that is 1,2 hydride shift also take place. So in this case there is no certain possibility to give the compound which is which gives geometrical isomers. Clear? Now the next one is CS3 again, CS3, now CS3, that is OH, that is CH2, then CH3. Clear to you? Now look at, why not possible? This carbon contain two same group. Why not possible? These two carbon contain the same group. So in this case there is the less possibility to show the geometrical isomerism. Clear to you? Now because if OH moves from here, then definitely H from here, here comes the double bond, two same group present. So due to this reason it will not give the geometrical similar. If OH from here and H from here, again 2CS3 group, so it will again here comes the double bond after the reaction, so again it will not give the geometrical isomer. As we know, for geometrical isomer, that is if there is CS3, that is different same group are on the same side or opposite side. So in this case we can say that is A and B cannot give the geometrical isomer, but here the C, the product, A and B give a product which will not give geometrical isomer, but C gives a product which will give geometrical isomer. So we people can say for question number 4, C is the correct option. Is it clear to you? For question number 4, C is the correct option. Let's move to the next one. The reaction of glycerol with HiO4. It's very simple. That is formaldehyde. It gives formic acid. It gives iodic acid. Clear to you? That is SCHO, SCOOH. Clear? So the reaction of glycerol with HiO4, it gives you, that is formaldehyde, formic acid and iodic. For question number 5, A, B and C are the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. How many isomers of C5H11OH will be a primary alcohol? 1 degree alcohol. Check it out. That is here given C5H11, CH3, CH2, CH2, that is CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is CH2OH. This one is the first. Now we can also write like this, CS3, now C, put here CS3, H, CH2, okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5 CH2OH. Check it out, here number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. Now the name of this compound is pentanol, pentane 1-ol or pentanol. The name of this compound, that is 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl butane 1-ol. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3-methyl butane 1-ol. If I write CS3, now put here CS2, now put here CS3, now put here CS2, now put here OH. Now name of this compound, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 2-methyl butane 1-ol. Clear? Now if I write like this, CS3, then C, put here CS3, put here CS3, then CS2, then OH. Clear? Now write down the name of this compound, that is 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol. 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol. Now these are the possible 4 isomer. Look at, all name differ, so this, and in each and every cases they are 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. Clear? Because OH attached to that carbon which is directly attached to only one carbon. So these all are 1 degree alcohol. Is there any more possibility? Check it out. I think this is the final one. Further, no such isomer are possible which are primary in this case. So we can easily observe for this question the option A is correct. That is, how many isomer? These are 4. Total number of 4 isomer are possible. Now friend, I am going to wrap this part and we'll discuss you the next section. Wait for a moment. Now let's move to the question number 7. Read the passage carefully. Alcohol are acidic in nature. Yes, because hydrogen is attached to oxygen, which is an electronegative element. Yes, alcohol is weaker acid than water because OH minus ion is more stable than RO minus ion. Okay. Alcohol is weaker acid than water. Read the question carefully. Alcohol is weaker acid than water because OH minus ion is more stable than RO minus ion. It means to say that is ROH, that is it gives you RO minus, and water here is HOH. Definitely it gives you OH minus ion. This one is more stable. Yes sir, this one is more stable than this ion. Now RO minus is less stable due to plus I effect. Definitely if the number of electron donating group increases, then the acidic nature decreases and the basic nature increases. Acidity of alcohol increases with the increase in the stability of the acid anion, that is that anion. Now look at this order. This is the decreasing stability and this is the decreasing acidic nature. This is the decreasing acidic nature and this is the decreasing stability. Now look at, as the number of alkyl group increases, the acidic nature decreases because there is an increase in plus I effect. So we can say, I'm moving here, if I move here down the, then acidic nature decreases. Clear to you what I'm telling? The acidic nature decreases and the stability of that ion is also, anion also decreases. Clear? This is the question. Read out the question carefully. Now wait for a moment, give me few seconds. Now some alcohol like CS3OH, CF3CH2OH, CF3 whole thrice COH are more acidic than water. Okay. Now these are more acidic than water because there is fluorine. Fluorine is electron withdrawing group, so due to minus I effect they are more acidic in water. Now Answer. Which among the following is most acidic? As I told you, HOH, water, is more acidic than alcohol. Rest alcohol, the strongest conjugate base. As I told you, if CF3 whole thrice, then COH, like this, you can now this one is a strong acid, so its conjugate base will be weak. If I write CI3 whole thrice COH, then it is a weak acid in comparison to this one, so its conjugate base will be strong. So its conjugate base is CI3 whole thrice CO minus. So in this case, what will happen? So for question number 2, D is the correct option. For question number 2, what I'm telling, D is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the next segment, the next question. Look at ether on heating with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. What will happen? Acetyl ether, if I put here CS3 CS2 O CS3 CS2 CS3, that is a diethyl. I'm just giving an example. Acetyl chloride CS3 COCl, that is, if I write here ROR dash plus ROCl, in this case what will happen? Sir, it's very simple. It gives you RCl or R, okay, clear to you? RCOCl, clear to you? Then in this case, one product is halide and second product is, tell me, ROR dash, that is, the second product is ester. So what will happen? The product is ethyl chloride and ethyl acetate. What will happen? The product is ethyl chloride and ethyl acetate. One product is chloride and the second product is ester. So for in this case, what will be the correct option? Sir, D is the correct option. Clear? Now friend, I'm going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. The next question, wait for a moment. Question number 9. An organic compound A react with sodium metal to form B. On heating with concentrated H2SO4, A and B gives diethyl ether. Compound A and B are definitely, first of all, check the first option. An organic compound C2H5OH, yes sir, on treatment with sodium metal, that is Na. Clear to you? It gives you C2H5ONa plus half H2. Is it clear to you? Now on heating with concentrated H2SO4, A and B give diethyl ether. Now these two, that is, this one is A and this one is B. Clear? Now what will happen? Check it out. C2H5OH plus C2H5ONa. Clear? Now what will happen? It gives you C2H5O C2H5, that is diethyl ether. Compound A, it gives diethyl ether. So we are correct, we have chosen the correct option. So for question number 9, it's very simple, that is A is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the next question, friend. Now the next question is multiple choice type question. Select the correct statement about crown ether. What are the crown ether? As I know, here is, if I put here O, then O like this, remember, put here O like this, put here O also, then like this, put here O also like this, put here O also like this, and put here O also like this. count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, the option is, it is a crown 18, crown 6. It is a cyclic polyether. Yes, this one is correct. It has total 18 atoms. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 18. Total 18. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 2, 12. 12 or 6, 18. Okay. It has 12 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, it has 12 carbon atom. It has 6 oxygen atom. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it has a 6 oxygen atom. So for this question, we can say A, B, C and D are the correct option. Clear to you? This is a multiple choice. I think now, friend, you can easily solve such kind of questions. So we'll revise the things again. Look at now for question number 1, what is the correct option? Sir, it's very simple. That is, the option is C, CH3CH2OH. For question number 2, what is the correct option? Sir, correct option is C, C2H5OH. For question number 3, what is the correct option? That is, sir, B, C and D. Clear? For question number 4, what is the correct option? Sir, that is the C. That is CH3CH2 CHOS CH3. For question number 5, the reaction of glycerol with HiO4 gives you formaldehyde, formic acid and iodic acid. A, B and C. For question number 6, how many isomer of C5H11OH will be primary alcohol? That is A. For question number 6, A is the correct option. Now for question number 7, this is a passage type. That is, the question is A option, the second one is D option. For question number 1, A option. For question number 2, D is the correct option. Now for question number 8, what is the correct option? Ether on heating with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gives you ethyl chloride and ethyl acetate. D is the correct option. For question number 9, that is A is the correct option. And for question number 10, all options are correct. I think now, friend, you can easily solve such kind of questions. So time is calling, time to say bye-bye. Thank you so much.